ChatGPT's AI technology outperforms the Google search engine by performing multiple tasks simultaneously. Thus, the owners of Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, are planning to create more than 20 AI tools to compete with this. Recently, an AI tool called ChatGPT is making a great revolution in the world. It automatically searches for jobs that humans need to do and does all those jobs automatically. If we search for something through Google, we will get many options about what we searched for. But if we do it with this ChatGPT AI, it will automatically analyze what we are looking for through AI and give us only the right detail that we need. Due to this, many people have started using it. This has made the app a direct competitor to Google like never before. Thus, Google founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin are planning to create more than 20 AI tools to compete with this. They have called the chief executives of Google and talked about this. It is expected to introduce these AI tools at an event in May. Google has already introduced similar AI tools like Duplex and Google Glass. This new AI tool will be developed in such a way that it will provide users with accurate and secure information and only the best information without false or fake information. Similarly, it plans to develop an image editing tool. With this, we can do image editing alone with AI. Google will provide AI tools for each subject separately. Recently, Google has laid off 12,000 employees. The main reason for this is the multimillion-dollar cost of developing AI technology. This is why it has jumped into AI research by laying off employees. So now if we search for such AI apps through Google, we get demo AI details of Google company. Also, Google, who said that creating an AI like ChatGPT will spoil the company's name, now forgets it and is developing a separate AI tool.